Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a backup camera on a Ford Edge. We'll start by looking at the most common culprits behind a non-working camera, like a dirty lens or a loose connection. Then, I'll guide you through some easy troubleshooting steps you can try yourself before considering a trip to the mechanic. It's often a simpler fix than you might think. Many backup camera issues stem from simple problems. First, always check the camera lens itself. A quick wipe can often resolve a blurry or black screen. Next, take a look at the wiring connected to the camera and the display unit for any obvious signs of wear or disconnection. Finally, consult your owner's manual to locate and inspect the fuse for the backup camera system. A blown fuse is a common and easy fix. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, it's time for deeper diagnostics. Try performing a soft reset of your vehicle's infotainment system, as software glitches can sometimes affect camera functionality. For those comfortable with tools, use a multimeter to test the power supply reaching the camera to ensure it's receiving the correct voltage. If power is present and connections are good, the camera module itself might need replacement. Knowing when to call in the experts is crucial. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and the camera still isn't working, especially with complex electrical problems, it's best to consult a qualified technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint issues with control modules or intricate wiring. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.